Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see one of the component page item called Shuttle. So what is Shuttle and how to use that? So in this video, we will see what is Shuttle and how to use that. So let us begin. So in this page, I am going to create one region or a page item. So on the page item, I am going to name it as Shuttle and the type as Shuttle. First you just see the output, then only you will get to know what is Shuttle. So I'm just select as Shuttle, and here you need to give a list of values, the same thing what you come across with the select list and pop-up below. So I'm just using shared component. I'm having previously values, so I'm using those shared component thing. So I'm just running now. Now the page is rendered now. This is the Shuttle component. You are seeing this. Left side you are having the list of values, and the right side is the value you are going to move it to that or push from left to right. So when you push it to the right, then the value is selected. Now this page item Shuttle contains a red. So likewise you can make use of this Shuttle component. So you are where are the scenarios, or what are the scenarios you can use it, like when you are going to assign a employee to a particular project, then in the top you can select a project ID. Under that you can select the list of you can show the list of employees. From there you can pick up the employees, like this employee and this and this, like that you can push it in to that right. Then on clicking on the save, you need to loop this, you will get the value as array. Since you are selecting multiple values, you will get the list of value as array object. From that you need to loop and you need to insert that to the database. That is, like you are going to select multiple values and you are going to store it in your table. So this is the scenario. This is a one scenario where you can use this Shuttle. So you are assigning employees to a project, or you are just going to select different departments or kind of things. So what are the scenarios you can use? You can use this Shuttle page item, and you can see these are different options. If you click this will reset, so it will move back to its initial position. So this is a reset button. So if you click on this arrow, then all the values, what are the values available, if it, maybe if it contains 100 or 50 rows, then all the values will be moved to this. The same thing, if you click this, all the values will be removed from this. So it is like whole bunch, it is move or remove. So this is the option for if you select this, and if you click on this, it will move only a particular thing which is selected. You can select multiple values by clicking on the control or shift. Then if you click on this arrow, then the selected values will be moved. The same thing, if you click on this, selected value will be removed. So this is the moving options or icons which is available to push the value from the left to the right, that is from unselected to selected. And in the right side you will having option for ordering. For example, here these three colors like red, green, yellow is come, but I need green should be at the first. Then I can select that green and I can click on this. So now the green will be at the top. So if we select this, then this will move that to the down. This is like ordering the values. Previously we have seen this is like adding or removing, that is appending up or popping the value. This is for ordering, like ascending or descending, not like ascending descending, it's like ordering, like this value should be at the top, this value should be at the second, likewise ordering. This button is like it will move to the top of the value, then if you click on this, this will move to the end of the value. So the beginning and the end, this is in between the nearest next and the nearest down. So this is the options which will be used in the Shuttle page item. And we can see some of the properties what it gives Shuttle. So I'm just selected the page item Shuttle, type as Shuttle. Here label I'm just given a Shuttle. Here the multiple values you can see, it's like delimited list, that is the multiple value will be separated with this colon. So you will get the colon separated values, list of values. And here you can see some settings. So if you make this moving only, then only the moving icons which you seen in the left, like arrows only displayed, and ordering only now only in the upper or down arrows will be visible on the right. None means no icons will be visible. Mostly we will not use this at the time of entries. Only for display purpose we will be using this. For entry you need to make a movement alignment, so we will be selecting all. So now how to get the value at the runtime? For that I'm just going to create a dynamic action on this shuttle page item. So just a minute. So I just created a change in that show item. I'm going to create action as execute JavaScript. So under execute JavaScript I'm going to print that value in the console. So I'm just logging that in the console, apex item and dot get value. So this is the thing we are going to get, and here p35 underscore shuttle. So this is the page item. So we are just going to log this value in the console, browser console. So now I'm going to run this. Mostly we will get in the array format. Since we are going to select multiple values, I'm going to open this console by clicking Ctrl Shift I, or you can go here, click on this icon, and here more tools and developer tools. Either this way you can open the console, or Ctrl Shift I. Once it is done, you just select the value. I'm just selected this red, clicking on this arrow, the red will be pushed here, and you can see here the array is popped out. Now I'm going to select a green. So click green and click on this arrow. So now red, green, you can see red and green. So this is like array object. From this you can loop the value and get that value. So if I selected yellow, then the yellow will be added, red, green, yellow. If I am going to remove this green, select that and click on this arrow. Now red and yellow is there and green is popped out. So this is the use of this shuttle. So mostly we will be using in the like kind of scenarios like assignment, or assigning different things to a particular value, like assigning different employees to a particular project, like kind of things. You can use this shuttle. And this you can order also, like clicking on the yellow should be at the first, then you click, then the yellow should be first and the red will be next. So like kind of things you can use this shuttle page item, and you can do those kind of things, and you can use this page item in such case of scenarios. Thank you.